it's Nessa or Nessa Ellison, and welcome back to my channel. I say 4C 4 type because I do not know if it is truly 4C, 4B, a mix. I know it's a mix of something because the back is much looser. There's different curls going on in the back. The front is tighter, and I love all my curls the same. The reality is I can't tell you what type of hair I have. I just know I have 4 type hair, not the A, B, C's, D's, and Z's. First things first, I want to clarify that having a good wash day, a good scalp cleanser, a good detox shampoo, even if you don't have all those things, just washing your hair correctly is the base for any hairstyle to really look good, especially when it's a natural hairstyle. With protective hairstyles, you can kind of get past it, but when it comes to natural hairstyles, you really want to make sure your hair is clean, because this product might not work with the oils that have been left in your hair. This oil might not work with this product that has been left in your hair. Minimize how much oil I'm using because you don't want to put too much oil. Oil is still like, let's say you put oil all over your face, you put water on top of it. Is water going to seep into your face as easily as it would have if you didn't have the oil, or if you didn't have that much oil? Just think about it that way. I think we could get away with doing it with just this amount of mousse, but usually I use more. I'm going to be using Bronner Bros Foam Wrapping Lotion. It is my favorite mousse. It has no alcohol, which is my favorite part. You guys know, if you guys know me, you guys know that I love alcohol-free products. My top 2 now is this mousse and this gel. Extreme gel, this mousse, it's key. I already have leave-in in my hair. I have patterns leave-in, but you could use whatever leave-in you want to. So yeah, my hair is mostly blow dried. You want to make sure you have a brush, a detangling brush, or a comb. So this is my brush. It's from Swissco Pro. I've had it for about 1.5 years now, and ever since I got it, I kind of just neglected my other brushes, but this makes it so much easier for me because it also has layers. It's kind of old, so it looks kind of chopped, but Swissco Pro has really good brushes, and they don't have that little dot on the top that sometimes gets tangled and snaps your hair. So if you want a good brush that doesn't snap your hair, detangles well, Swissco Pro, especially for my 4 type curly, coily, kinky girls. My my products today is the Extreme Gel and the Bronner Bros Foam. We're gonna use these hand in hand. At the end, I'm gonna use my pick, but mostly when I come back to you guys, because we do have to let this kind of dry a little, so let's do that. So I did flat twist my hair. I've had this bump beanie on for a while, but I did flat twist my hair, and I'm not the best flat twister, but this is what it looks like beforehand. So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve the curly look and slay even in the cold. Because I've already have it sectioned, although they're not even, because I already have it sectioned, it makes it a lot easier for me to just go on ahead and you know, just undo my hair. So I'm just gonna undo them, and every time I undo them, I'm going to do the wrapping and finger coil method. Undo this, and they're gonna look really questionable at first. Guys, I don't know, the back of my hair is so much thinner than the front, and that's just the reality of things for me, so let this be a safe space. Clips are essential in any natural hair process, or any process involving hair in general. I feel like clips are the go. And I feel like this section only needs 1 pump of mousse. So 1 good pump, mostly at the ends, especially if you want like that volume look, right? Of gel. That's a lot, but I don't know, a little bit for me. And we're going to put that towards the ends, like so. Especially, like, make sure you detangle your hair before all of this, but like so. There's still mousse on my hand, and I'm going to grab it and wrap it like this and let it go. It's gonna look crazy at first, y'all. Just trust the process. Wrap, let it get all the way here, and don't pull it down. Just kind of, if you have to, just use the other finger to slide it down to give it that effect. You see that? Wrap, that over and over again, and I've gotten so many compliments on like how my hair looks like this. Y'all, it's not that hard. Just do what I do. I'm gonna try and guide everybody that kind of asks me moving forward on how to do it. I'm gonna guide them to this video, like, hello. Because I feel like when I explain things just at work or in school or something, people don't really understand what I'm saying. They're like, you make no sense. So hopefully this helps somebody. But yeah, you want to wrap it, and they don't have to be perfect. I feel like honestly, the least uniform they look, the better, because it looks like natural. Anyways, we're now moving on to the second part, and that's why I'm saying like blow dried or like pre-parted hair helps so much. We're gonna do one pump for this side as well. Like, you really don't need a lot of mousse, but I also am running out, so I'm trying to be a little stingy today. And it looks crazy right now because it looks like heat damage, doesn't it? Take that, wrap. If you need to use your finger to let it go, let it go. Wrap. And you just do that over and over again until you do your whole head, literally. And that's it. Like, literally, that's all I do. I don't like going all the way to the roots. For one, because I feel like the roots take forever to dry. And for two, because when I want to pick it out to make it more voluminous, I don't want the roots to be wet. And I like volume. Like, I like for it to look voluminous. And because I have short hair, it's kind of hard to achieve that all the time. So not reaching all the way at the roots helps a lot, especially since I already oiled my scalp. And like I said, some of your products won't work with others. You guys see that? That's already there. So we had 10 braids. We are at the third one. We've already done 2. Some more moves. 1 pump is enough, y'all. You just want enough to kind of fluff it up, so when you're curling your hair with your hand, it's not like, so when you're curling your hand, when you're curling your hair with your hand, it's not like just hair. It's kind of like a placeholder. Roll, let go. Roll, let go. I realized that doing it on hair that's blow dried or stretch actually helps a lot. It speeds up the process for one, because technically, well, for me at least, when I blow dry my hair, it's already detangled, which I would assume is the case for a lot of people. So yeah, it helps the process. See, like, this is like, you see what I mean? When I blow dry my hair, this is the looser parts of my hair naturally, but it's gonna curl up so slow because it's just naturally looser. I don't know, because this is before I've ever put heat in my hair, like after my big chop. And I've always realized that even, you know, before my big chop, and I was like, maybe I have heat damage. But then I realized that I have that with every style. So that's when I figured out that I don't have heat damage there. It's just a looser texture. I also have it in the front of my head a little, and I'll show you guys that if it shows today. If not, well, I can't show you. I'm gonna try and move here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So this portion right here took me about 25 minutes, and that's with explaining to you guys. I'm gonna undo the side and I'll get back to you guys when I have finished. Now it is 4:11. I just started. Let's see how long this side takes me, so I can give you like a real time feel on how long it usually takes me. This is what it looks like now. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 4:20 p.m.
9 minutes. That's a record breaker. We're just going to reach underneath the hair. So I like to start near my crown area and I lift it like so. And you don't lift it all the way. You see how it's lifting the curls without messing them up? Like you don't want to pick it out all the way. And you'll feel some resistance, and you'll learn to feel for some resistance as you pick. If you mess them up, again, just use a little bit of mousse, not gel at all, and lift those curls up. And if you want to stretch it out some more, which I usually do this at nighttime, but it could be done whenever. If you want to stretch it out some more, use some clips and put them in your hair. I'm going to show you how I usually put them. I usually stretch out these sides or this side right here, but I've been loving stretching out this side more because I think I have like a head that goes like this, so yeah. But you can also do these sides. I brush these parts right behind my edges more than everything else because that's why I want it to be really sleek. And I'm going to show you how I keep it sleek because as you can see right now, it's trying to fluff back up or like just curl in general. So I use my clips. I place one right here, right here. Like that. And sometimes I place one right here, so I'll just do that for today. Like that. And then I put a scarf right on the front of my hairline, which I'm about to do once I find it. That's it, y'all. That's literally the whole finger coil routine. I will be back to show you the whole fluffiness. This was $5.49. This was $5.99, so like less than $12. A pick. You can also use a white tooth comb and an edge brush, and that's all up to you. And whatever conditioner of your choice, but these were my key ingredients, my key products. Alcohol free is the way to go. Trust me, it makes your hair feel flowy, it's soft, it's just the best, okay? And what I love about it is that it's not drying because obviously we know alcohol is a drying ingredient. So yeah, you guys, if you guys want to have fluffy, curly, kinky, coily hair like me, a little TWA action going on, trim your ends so it could look as best as it can. But even if you don't have your ends trimmed and you have wonderful curls, try out this method. But I'll be back in, it's gonna feel like seconds to you guys. It's gonna be a couple hours, maybe 2, 3. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product. I took the clips out and everything, and so now we have like that twist out fro look, and it's fluffy. And yeah, this is like to mimic volume on TWA hair. Like my hair is a little past short, but it's still a small after, about 4 inches maybe, I don't know. This is how much people want your hair to be before they braid it. That's crazy to me. It's supposed to be, okay, maybe I lied. I don't know how long it is, but this is how you get the curly fro look. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and if you are, make sure that you're watching the videos that you miss, and so I know what videos you want me to put out. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Why don't we? Bye. Peace.